Right, welcome back again. And in the previous video, we have learned about the binary addition, and now today we are going to learn about this binary subtraction. Alright, so you can see already it is written over there so that I can save your time too, and you can have the preview also. Alright, so it is binary subtraction, and let's see that. First of all, 0 and 0. Alright. Imagine if I have this condition. So now, do we need to borrow something? No? We do not need the borrow. Alright, we don't need the borrow. So what will be the difference then? It will be as it is 0. And if this is the condition, if 1 minus 0, so what is that? It will be treated as 0 only. Okay, and do we think means there will be no borrow. So borrow will be as it is, means nothing is there. 0 means nothing, no borrow. So it is as it is. You can see 1 is noted down as it is. Now next condition, if 1 and minus. If 1 minus 1, so borrow is needed? No, no borrow is needed. So it will be as it is 0. Listen student, remembering the rules takes time, but 2 or 3 practices, you can do it. Alright, so let's go through again. Here again, you see when both are 0, so no borrow is required and it is 0. If 1 minus 0, alright, no borrow is required as it is note down 1. But if the both the answer is same, means 1 minus 1, so no borrow is needed. Directly we do it as the 0. Only here you have to keep in mind that, okay, if first 0 is there and 1 is there, then yes, we need a borrow. And then reason is that why answer will come 1 here. Reason is that if it is 0 and if I am borrowing 1, so it has become 1 and 0, correct? So in previous video example, you have seen 1 or 0 is the binary, right? 1 and 0 is the binary. So in normal maths, 1 and 0 stands for 2. In the normal arithmetic means in the decimal form. Okay, in the decimal form, again, please, I will say, don't understand it is that point value or the floating value. It is normal number. Decimal means 0 to 9 digit. This I will read it as 10. I will read it as 10. It is the bit, okay, and it stands for 2. So if I simplify here, 2 minus 1. So what you are getting? 1. Actually, it is the easy way to, calculate. So you just be careful about the calculation. Alright. Yes, sometimes we are switching. Yes, of course, sometimes what is happening, we are purely doing binary addition or subtraction like this. But sometimes when we are borrowing or carrying, so what is happening here, we are dealing with this conversion at the same time. So it will make your calculation easy. Can we come to the question now? What is the question now? 1 0 1 1, and then below it is 0 1 1 0. Now how we are going to solve this problem? Now let's see here. What is that? 1 and 0. So where is the combination 1 and 0? Let's come here. It is the combination. Alright. So when 1 and 0 is here, so what will be the answer? It will be as usual 1. Then let's see what is the other combination. It is 1, also 1. So let's see, this is the combination. So what is the no borrow is required? So answer will be 0 over here. Now see this combination 0 and 1. Now we are coming on the fourth rule. What the rule is saying that you have to borrow 1, right? You have to borrow 1, and afterwards, okay, fine, I'm borrowing it. So this is the digit I have the option to borrow. I'm giving to this. Now what it has become? It has become 10. Okay, and it is nothing. So what, I will just cross out. Okay, so that you don't understand. It is now nothing, or simple you can say 0. Now I have told you that this 1 and 0 means in decimal, means in computer maths, it is 2. Okay, so 2 and minus 1 is equal to 1. And now here nothing is left. Okay, nothing is left over here. So what we will do, we will note down as it is. Okay, so this is the way that how we perform binary subtraction. Our children, it's very important to remember these rules. Okay, of course, at a time you cannot do, because bit addition, bit addition means the binary addition or the subtraction. It seems different because we go according to the rule, and every time the rule changes, right? So what is that? Again, I'm telling you, in one day you do addition, second day you try subtraction, and then again multiplication and the division. Okay, so this is the way how you can do binary addition. If you want some question, then I'm going to give you some questions so you can practice that. All right. So check the description. There I will try to put the PDF. You can take out the printout or you can solve there. And yes, don't forget to check your answer. Okay, I have told you, those are not seen my first video. There I have taught this calculator, computer calculator. Okay, again I'm showing you that we have the calculator simple, and I suggested that use that programmer one. Okay, so it is already there. Sometimes if you open in your laptop, it will be maybe standard. Okay, so this is a by default. This is your calculator. It will look like this. But again, I'm telling you, you have to switch to programmer. Remember, okay, you have to switch to the this one. Okay, so there you take first decimal or the binary, whatever you want. Okay, you can see this other digits are not active, and only 1 and 0 is active. So you take those binary digits. Okay, subtract them. Subtraction is here, and you do this, and then finally you find out that what is your answer. It is only the suggestion to check your answer, but mentally you have to be prepared that calculation is important. Okay, calculation, mentally calculation, especially because in exam you are not going to check your answer in this way. All right, so keep practicing, and again I will request all viewers from wherever you are. All right, just remember to subscribe, and of course keep giving through your comment that which kind of content you want. All right, which kind of content you want, so that I can help you to create. Alright, so just thank you, keep watching, and again my request for the like and subscribe, and keep watching this other. So remember to subscribe. Okay, it will help me to create meaningful content. Okay, take care and keep learning. Right, bye bye. Bye bye. Simple bye bye for you, everyone. Good luck.